Percy's mail run. It was evening on the island of Sodor, and all the engines and some people are going ready to get some sleep. Especially for Percy, however. He was taking the mail train all the way to Mayfleet Station, where he would drop off some of his mail to the postman. But when he stopped by a signal, he stopped, so he couldn't go. "Oh, bother," huffed Percy crossly. Let's just forget the signal there, Percy. We have to carry on with this mail train. We have a deadline." And soon, he was off. A goods train was waiting on the siding, but rather unfortunately, Percy knew nothing of this. Ah! Goods train was smashed to pieces, and Percy lay in the rubble. He was never heard from again.